Hello friends, welcome back to my online learning A to Z YouTube channel. In the last video, we learned about an addition operation. In today's video, let us learn about the subtraction. So, subtraction can also be referred as to subtract, to minus, to deduct, to remove, or to take away. The subtraction is indicated by the minus sign. Let us see the parts required to perform subtraction. We need the minuend, the subtrahend, and we find the difference of these two. I feel many of us don't actually know what these parts refer to. So let me take an example. Say we have to minus 3 from 4. Here 4 is called as the minuend, 3 is called the subtrahend, and the answer of this subtraction is called the difference. Now I hope we understand the subtraction terms. Let us now learn how to perform subtraction. Consider this example. The teacher had 8 smiley stickers. She gave 2 stickers to kids who scored highest in the exam. 1 to the football champ and 2 more to the dancing superstars. So how many smiley stickers were left with the teacher? So let us break this question into subparts and work on the first part of this example, which is the teacher had 8 smiley stickers, out of which she gave 2 stickers away. So how many stickers are left with the teacher? We can use number line to explain the subtraction method to young kids. Kids can start with the minuend on the number line, which in this case is 8, and then count back the subtrahend times, which in this case is 2. So counting back 2 times the number we are at in the end is the answer of subtraction. The difference, which is 6. So 8 minus 2 gives 6. Now let us see the second part of this example. From 6 stickers, the teacher again gave 1 sticker to the football champ. So we have to calculate what is 6 minus 1. Another method with which we can subtract is called the abacus model. In abacus, we use rods and beads to represent numbers. So on the rod, we can put 6 beads and then take away 1 bead. By counting the number of beads remaining on the rod, we get our difference. So 6 minus 1 equals 5. Now let us find the answer to the final part of this example. The teacher was left with 5 stickers, out of which she again gave 2 stickers to her students. So what is the final stickers left with the teacher? Let us use actual objects to solve this. Here I am using 5 smiley faces, out of which 2 were given away. So 2 removed from 5 equals 3. So the answer to our example is the teacher had 3 smiley stickers left with her in the end. I hope the way to teach subtraction is pretty simple using these methods. Also, it is a very good idea to make kids aware of all the possible methods and then continue with the one they are most comfortable with. That's all for today's video. Take care until next time. Bye.